السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أنا علي الغزالي ومرحبا بكم في اللسان. First of all, I need to apologize for being distant, for not uploading for about 3 months now, or even more than that. It's just that I've been extremely busy with a few things, mainly getting married. And alhamdulillah, since we got that out of the way, inshallah, today we resume going through العربية-بين-يديك. And inshallah, in the future, I promise that the videos and the lessons will be more frequent and more consistent, inshallah. Now, I want you to open your books on page number 107 in the book, which is page number 141 in the PDF. As you can see here, it says اختبر نفسك, test yourself, chapters 3 and 4. We already completed chapter number 4, but this is a test just to, refresh your memories and make sure you understood what we studied in the last 2 chapters. So, inshallah, I'm just going to explain to you what to do. The first question is very simple. You just link from column A to column Alif to column Ba. You link between the thing and the place where that thing is found or where it's done. All right. In the second question, you have groups of words, groups of vocabulary. So athath is furniture. So you add 2 more pieces of furniture to this group. The second one here is ghuraf, rooms. You add 2 more rooms. A'dad tartibiyya, as in numbers, as in first, second, third, not 1, 2, 3, first, second, third. You add 2 more. You have amakin, places, add 2 more places here. Af'al, verbs. Istifham, question words, add 2 more here as well. And then numbers, just regular numbers. And then in the third question, you cross the odd one out, of course, simple. In the next page, you have, again, linking between the verb and the rest of the sentence. And then in the second question, you choose from these 2. And then lastly, you have a little paragraph to read, and you answer these tick or cross to test your comprehension. So that's it. That's the exam. Very simple. Now I'm going to give you a few minutes to do the test. You can pause the video now and do the test, and inshallah we will get to the answers right away. Alright. Now, of course, furn is an oven, so it's found in matbakh. And then we have sarir, bed, so غرفة نوم. Arika is a sofa, so غرفة جلوس. Mir'ah, of course, is found in hammam. And then kitab would be madrasa, and salah would be, of course, in the masjid. Alright, that's question number 1. Question number 2, athath, so pieces of furniture. So you can just write arika or sajjada or sitara or anything like that. And ghuraf, rooms, so hammam, you can say matbakh, غرفة جلوس, غرفة نوم. Third one, al-awwal, that's first. So you can write al-thani and then al-thalith, right? Second and third, al-rabi', al-khamis, whatever. And then number 4, amakin, places, so masjid, madrasa, matbakh, suq, and so on. Number 5 is verbs, يذهب, يكتب, يقرأ, يصلي, يتوضأ. And then number 6, istifham, which means question words. So هل, متى, من, كيف. أعداد, number 7, 8, 9, anything. Alright. As for the next question, cross the odd one out. So طبيب, مدرس, مهندس, sitara. Of course, sitara is the wrong one here, is the odd one. مطبخ, حمام, عمل, غرفة, these are all places apart from عمل, of course, which means work. يغسل, ينام, يكوي, these are verbs, but صحيفة is not. حافلة, فرن, ثلاجة, سخان, of course, حافلة is the odd one, which means bus. الأول, الرابع, واحد, الثالث. واحد is the wrong one because الأول is first, fourth, third. but واحد is just one. غرفة, أثاث, بيت, شقة. It would be أثاث again because it's not a place like غرفة and بيت and شقة. And then the last one here, ساعة, مسجد, مدرسة, مصلى. Again, ساعة is the odd one because it's not a place. Alright, let's move on to the next page. We have more linking here. يغسل, it would be يغسل الملابس والأطباق. يشاهد, to watch. So of course it would be يشاهد التلفاز. يذهب إلى, go to المدرسة, I think. Yep. يكنس, we said يكنس is to sweep or to hoover. So يكنس الغرفة. Yeah, that's right. يقرأ, of course, يقرأ الصحيفة. And then يصلي الجمعة في المسجد. Then يسكن, lives or resides, يسكن في حي الجامعة. And then the last one, يتوضأ, would be للصلاة. He makes wudu for salah. Alright, I hope you got that one correct. It's not difficult. The second question now in this page. في الشقة أربع, would be غرف. Because أربعة is plural, of course, 4. So you'd use the jama', the plural, غرف, rather than the word غرفة, which means one room. Now, you need to keep something in mind, that in the Arabic language, if the number is from 3 to 10, 3, 4, all the way to 10, then the thing that you're counting that comes after it will be in plural form. So you would say أربع غرف وخمس شقق وستة أقلام وسبعة أيام ثمانية أولاد تسع سيارات, and so on. But if you go above 10, you won't use the plural anymore. You would go back to using the singular. So you would say 20, that's 20. 20 غرفة. 20 you won't say 20 rooms now. In Arabic we say 20 room because 20 is above 10. Alright? You say 30 قلما, 30 pens. 40 سيارة, and so on. Alright, just keep that rule in mind. The second one would be كم حماما, because the word after كم usually has a fatha or double fatha at the end. Sorry about that. Number 3 would be متى تذهب إلى المدرسة? When do you go to school? 4 أذهب الساعة السابعة. And then number 5 هذه هي, of course, rather than هو, because الشقة is feminine. And the last question here is cross, tick across. يستيقظ أحمد مبكرا عند الفجر. He wakes up early. يصلي الفجر في المسجد. أحمد لا ينام بعد صلاة الفجر. هو يقرأ القرآن. يذهب إلى المدرسة بالحافلة, by bus. الساعة السابعة يوم العطلة. يستيقظ مبكرا. He wakes up early on a holiday as well. يوم الجمعة في الصباح. يقرأ صحيفة أو كتابا. He reads a newspaper or a book. ويصلي الجمعة في المسجد الكبير. We learn the word كبير means big, right? The big mosque. Now, يستيقظ أحمد مبكرا, that would be, of course, a tick. يصلي أحمد الجمعة في المسجد الكبير. That's another tick. يوم الجمعة يقرأ صحيفة أو كتابا. That's also another tick. أحمد ينام بعد صلاة الفجر. Now it says here clearly أحمد لا ينام. He does not sleep, so that's a cross. يصلي أحمد الفجر في البيت. It says here في المسجد, so that's another cross. The last one, أحمد مهندس. It doesn't say that here. It says that he goes to school, so he must be طالب, a student, not an engineer. So that's another cross. And the last one, يذهب إلى المدرسة بالسيارة. Nope, بالحافلة, as it says here. So that's the last one is also a cross. I hope you got the full mark here, 40 out of 40. If you feel like you need to revise the previous chapters, please do so before we move on to the 5th chapter in the next video, because just procrastinating your revision won't help you, and it will cause you a lot of problems in the long run. So please don't neglect revision, revise, practice, so that inshallah when we get to the end of the book, you'll find that you have built a solid foundation, and inshallah you can easily move on to the second book. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you found it beneficial. Please, if you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll be seeing you very soon. Assalamu alaikum.